In this difficult business environment where customers want more service for less money, it's critical that you learn to work smarter. Consider the following typical bid sheet for a 20,000 square foot job, comparing the WorkSmart system to conventional stripping and refinishing methods. Both systems will have setup costs, chemical costs, and labor costs for stripping, neutralizing, and recoating. Setup costs involve travel and equipment staging. They will be the same in either system. Labor costs are where the WorkSmart system will save you considerable time and money. Assume $14 per hour for labor. The WorkSmart system will require only 10 man-hours of labor for the stripping. Compare that to the 46 man-hours using the conventional method of stripping as indicated in the official ISSA 540 Cleaning Times booklet. Refinishing with the grand finale will take only 3/4 of a man-hour per coat. Allowing for drying time, one man can still apply 3 coats of finish in 4 hours at a labor cost of $56. After the refinishing labor costs are added in, the total labor costs for the conventional method is $812. Using the WorkSmart system, your labor cost is only $196, saving $616 on a 20,000 square foot job. The table you are now looking at illustrates how dramatically the Sidewinder WorkSmart system can lower your labor costs per square foot. Notice that whether you are stripping 10,000 square feet or 45,000 square feet, you will only need a small crew to do the job. Using conventional methods, you will need an ever-increasing number of employees to complete the same work. These labor savings go right to your bottom line.